Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Maria Ishtiyaq. I am your teacher of subject maths. Today we will study unit number 6. In unit number 6 we have ratio and proportion. First of all we will study about the ratio. That what is the ratio? Ratio word is extracted from the word relationship. In ratio, we find the relationship between two objects of the same kind. For example, if there are 20 girls and 25 boys in the classroom, and we have to find their relationship. So, we will write it as 20 ratio 25. So, this ratio shows the relationship between the number of girls and number of boys. If we have to find the simplest form of this ratio, we will divide both the numbers with the same table. 20 by 25. Both can divide by 5, so we will divide both the numbers with a 5. 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So we will write 4 in place of 20 and 5 in place of 25. So this is the simplest form of the ratio. But if the numbers are written in the fraction such that 1 by 2 ratio 1 by 3. So, to find the simplest form of this ratio, we will take LCM of the denominators 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. The LCM is 6. Now we will multiply 6 by both the sides. Multiplying 6 by both on both sides. 1 by 2 multiply by 6 ratio 1 by 3 multiply by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3 ratio 2. So it is the simplest form of the ratio 1 by 2 ratio 1 by 3. Now came to exercise 6a. Question number 1 is Ali gets rupees 50 as weekly allowance while his sister Fatma gets rupees 75. Find the ratio of their weekly allowance. In this question, we have to find the ratio of weekly allowance. The allowance of Ali is 50 and the allowance of his sister Fatma is 75. Now we have to find their weekly allowance or simplest form of this ratio. So we will divide 50 by 75. So the answer is 2 by 3. We will write 50 in place of 75 we will write 3. So this is our answer. Question number 2. Alia weighs 51 kg while the weight of her father is 85 kg. Find the ratio of their weights. The weight of Alia is 51 and his father is 85. Now we will divide both the numbers. The fraction will be 3 by 5. We will write 3 instead of 51 and 5 instead of 85. So this is our answer. All the questions of this exercise will be solved in the same manner. Next topic we have is ratios and fractions. A ratio can be expressed as a fraction by changing the terms in the ratio into fraction. Both terms are added to achieve a common denominator. For example, we have a garden divided into a portion for grass and a portion for flower bed, 3:5. Then we will write it as portion for grass cover. The portion of grass covered will be 5 and there will be the sum of portion of grass and flower, means 5 plus 3. So the fraction will be 5 by 8. It means that the grass cover 5 by 8 of the garden. Now we have to find the portion of flower bed. It will be 3, 5 plus 3 in the denominator, means portion of grass and flower both. So it will 3 by 8 of the garden. It means that the grass cover 5 by 8 area of the garden and the flower bed will cover 3 by 8 of the garden. This was the portion of grass covered and flower bed. But if we have to find the area, so we will multiply both these equations with the area of the gardens. Suppose we have area of garden. The area of garden is 25,000 and the area of grass cover is 5 by 8 of the 25,000. So when we solve it, the area of grass cover will be 15625. Now we have to find the area of flower bed in the same way. Now came to exercise 6b. Question number 1 we have is a length of wood is cut into 2 pieces in the ratio 4:7. A part, what fraction of the original piece is the longer piece? And B part, what fraction of the original piece is the shorter piece. First of all, we will write the ratios of the both pieces, that is 4:7. Now we will write these as 4 divided by the sum of both these numbers in the denominator, 4 plus 7 and 7 by 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equals to 11, 4 by 11, and 7 into 7 plus 4, 11. So, 7 by 11 is a fraction of longer piece and 4 by 11 is the fraction of shorter piece. Question number 2 is Shoaib and Riyaz share some biscuits in the ratio of their ages. Shoaib is 10 years old and Riyaz is 8 years old. What fraction of the biscuits did Shoaib get? And what fraction of the biscuit did Riyaz get? In this question, we have to find the fractions of the biscuits of Shoaib and Riyaz. In this question, first we have to find the ratios of their ages. Ratio of their ages is equals to 10 ratio.
The ratios of their ages.
The ratio
10
of
ratio 8.
Shoaib
and
Riyaz biscuit is 10 ratio 8. Now we will add the denominators of both the ratios. 10 by 10 plus 8 and 8 divided by 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. So 10 by 18 and 8 by 18 is our fraction. Now we will find the lowest form of both these fractions. That is 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. So the fraction of Shoaib biscuit is 5 by 9 and the fraction of Riyaz biscuit is 4 by 9.
All the
questions of these exercise will be in the same manner. Objective and subjective notes will be provided to you, so you should write these notes on your math copies. Take care. Allah Hafiz.